Okay, so this is our next flipped classroom lesson. It's the 10th today, and what we're doing today is we're going to look at some more. We're still dealing with measurement, but we're going to look at liters and milliliters, how they are connected, as well as kilograms and grams and how they're connected. So whenever you think of liters or milliliters, I always think of a liquid. I always think of a pop bottle. And when you look at a pop bottle, when you have a party and so on, your pop bottle is 2 liters. A 2-liter pop bottle. If you get a can of pop, it's a lot less than 2 liters. It's actually in milliliters. Now, the general rule when we're dealing with a liquid, or liters and milliliters, is this. 1 liter is always equal to 1,000 milliliters. So what does that mean exactly? Well, if you think of a water bottle, your typical water bottle that you bring to school every single day and that you drink every day, a water bottle has 500 milliliters in it. If you read the label of it, it says 500 milliliters. So how many water bottles would it take to equal 1 liter? Well, 1 liter, the rule is there's 1,000. There's 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. So I want to know how many water bottles do I need to make 1 liter? Well, that's easy. I'm going to take this 500 and times it by 2, because that will give me 1,000. So what does that tell me? I know that 2 water bottles will equal 1 liter. So 2 of these. Okay? So whenever you think of a liquid, think of liters and milliliters and how they're connected. And that's the rule for that. Well, likewise, with kilograms and grams, we should think of a weight. It's always how heavy something is. Okay? It could be your chair. It could be yourself as a person. It could be your computer. It could be anything. Okay? So when we think of kilograms or grams, it kind of actually follows the same rule. 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. Okay? So 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. So if I ask myself, I'm just going to pick something random. I know that, I'm trying to think. Well, my laptop, or anyone's laptop, a general laptop is around, I would say 4 kilograms, let's say. That might be pretty light. It's actually probably around, let's say 8. Let's say 8 kilograms. So a laptop is approximately 8 kilograms. Well, how many grams would that be? I want to know how many grams that would be. So what number would I put in front of it? So if I follow this rule here, that 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. Well, I have 8. I have 8 kilograms. So if 1 kilogram is 1,000, 8 kilograms would simply be 8,000 grams. So you want to do something. You want to figure out. All you need to remember is that 1,000 grams is in 1 kilogram. Okay. Now, for your work tomorrow, basically you're going to be doing things like, you have a 2-liter pop bottle, right? For example, you have a 2-liter pop bottle. How many milliliters are in a 2-liter pop bottle? So again, you always go back to this rule, right? If there's 1 liter for 1,000 milliliters, if I'm looking here, I know it's going to be 2,000 milliliters in a pop bottle. Okay. If I'm dealing with a weight or how heavy someone is, okay, it's the same idea. If I have, for example, actually I could probably do. Let's go to my laptop again. Let's not do that. Let's do a calculator. In a calculator is not quite a gram. It would be in a kilogram. It'd be in grams. A calculator is about 300 grams. So it's less than a kilogram. So I could say to myself, how many calculators would I need to equal 1 kilogram? Well, I'm just going to keep on adding these up to equal close to 1,000 grams. So right now I know that 300, 300, and 300 is 900 grams. So I am going to need approximately 4 calculators to equal over 1 kilogram. Okay? Alright. So review this, take some time, and learn this relationship of liter to milliliters and kilograms to grams. And remember, liters and milliliters is always think of a liquid. Grams and kilograms, try to think of a weight. Okay? Take some time and review it.